Alright folks, congrats! We should have everything we need to go through this course. For the rest of this course, and actually the entire academy, I do all of my coding on a Macbook Pro, so you'll have to remember to adjust some commands for your system as they come up. Other than that, most of the other things are the same, however I will call out explicitly what the differences are when I need to. Logistics aside, I want to reinforce the value of what we've done here. Using package managers to install software is a pretty standard behavior in the industry. In addition, the terminals or command prompts that you all used to install software and run commands, those are daily tools that software engineers use, they're not just for Hollywood hackers. And throughout this course, we will continue to hone your skills and improve your confidence in using these tools so that you have a strong foundation moving forward. And so, that's a wrap for this section. In the next section, you're going to be writing your first programs, and you'll be learning basic terminal commands and getting more familiar with working with the file system. Great work again, folks. See you in the next section.